50 cents, and 2-pocket paper folders at just 25 cents each. In-store only. Offer ends August 27th. Limit 30. Don't send your kids back to school. Send them forward at Staples.
It's Marcus and Corey, just a couple minutes away from good news. If you need a smile because it's the end of the week, maybe you're a little worn out, we got you covered at 840. Hang on, it's Star 1013.
It doesn't hurt me. Do you want to feel how it feels? Do you want to know that it doesn't hurt me? Do you want to hear about the deal we're making you? It's you and me. If only could, and make a deal with God, and again just swap places. Be running up that road, be running up that hill, be running up that building. See if only Marcus and Corey.
Good morning from Star 1013.
Picture perfect memories scattered all around the floor. Reaching for the phone, couldn't hide it anymore. cross your mind. For me, it's a quarter after one. I'm a little drunk and I need you now. Said I wouldn't call, but I lost all control and I need you now. And I don't know how I can do without. I just need you now. Guess I'd rather hurt than feel nothing at all. It's a quarter after one. I'm all alone and I need you now. You know I said I wouldn't call, but I'm a little drunk and I need you now. And I don't know how I can do without. I just need you now. I just need you Oh, baby, I need you now. It's a good day.
It's time for Good News with Marcus and Corey.
Sometimes all you need is one good thought to make it a great day. So let's do this. Star 1013.
What do you got, Corey? Tell me some good news.
Well, we already knew that Jason Momoa was a super cool guy, right?
Right?
Well, he's even cooler now.
Okay.
You know him as Aquaman, also in Game of Thrones. I was so sad. Spoiler alert, when they killed him off Game of Thrones.
Okay, there might be some people who haven't seen that scene.
Okay, that's over. That show's over.
That doesn't make it okay.
He's friends with a guy named Travis Snyder, and Travis was diagnosed with acute myeloid leukemia back, and that's when he first started searching for a bone marrow donor. And Momoa is just all about helping. He posted on Instagram sharing Snyder's story and urging people to register to be a bone marrow donor. It's actually really simple. All you have to do is swab your cheek. But you take his massive following, getting people to, figure out if they're a donor, you're going to help a lot of people.
Yeah, absolutely.
And Snyder, it means everything to him and his family.
That's great.
Yeah.
Did they find somebody yet? Do we know?
That I don't know yet. We're still
Okay.
in the process of searching.
Okay. That's awesome. Love that guy. We're doing good news right now. Mine is something that I think in the Bay. This is an idea you could steal, and it's so simple and can make a huge difference. This is a pizzeria in Oklahoma called Uncle Vinny's, and they have a pay it forward side right next to the register. So you can buy a slice of pizza, prepay for it, put your receipt on the bulletin board. What people have been doing, they've been buying pizza and little notes on there so that if you need food, you can go in, get yourself a free slice because somebody already paid for it.
Right. And you were telling us the other day about a Togo's in
Yeah.
Redwood City, right? That kind of does.
Don't know if they're still doing it, but the Togo's in Redwood City, you could buy a sandwich for somebody that needs a sandwich and put it up on the bulletin board. They're taking it to the next level at this pizza. Notes like be kind, have a blessed day, you're beautiful. So I'm just trying to imagine I'm down on my luck, I'm hungry, positive note, but I get a free slice of pizza.
Spreading kindness is so easy.
A lot of things.
Oh, pizza.
Free pizza? Forget it.
Forget it.
Anyway, I love that idea. That's our good news. It's 7:40 and 8:40 weekday mornings, and we're going to check what's trending next. What do you got?
There was a special guest at a Billy Joel show. jumped up on stage. We got the video on Instagram if you want to see it.
Coming up at 8:50.